Hi guys, today we bring you an all-in-one flooring cleaning solution that won't blow your budget, so stay tuned while we explore the product and show you what it got. Just don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. For a robot vacuum that removes not just one chore from your life, but two, look no further than ecovacs deebot's ozmo range. First launched 4 years ago, these robot vacuums that can mop as well have proved popular and the range has been expanded. The ecovacs deebot ozmo and 8 Plus is the latest addition. While the vacuum sweeps your hard floors, a pad that's supplied with water will wipe away dirt at the back, picking up any fine dust that the brushes may have missed. Plus, it's clever enough to know not to stray onto carpet when mopping is in progress. Key features on this model include advanced laser navigation and mapping, so it knows which way to go without bumping into obstacles, and an auto-empty station that cleans its onboard 420 ml dust box for you into a disposable half-a-gallon dust bag. This means that not only is there no need to keep emptying the dust box, you may only need to think about emptying the bag once a month or so. Unlike standard robot vacuum cleaners, the deebot ozmo and 8 Plus includes an 240 ml water reservoir at the back and a clip-on mopping pad. This adds to its size slightly, but not as much as you'd imagine. The ecovacs deebot ozmo and 8 Plus is priced at $599.99. It's available to buy now in the US direct from Ecovas, and in the UK and Australia from Amazon. It comes with a washable mopping pad and a pack of 10 disposable mopping pads. 3 replacement reusable pads cost $34.99, and a pack of 25 disposable mopping pads cost $34.99. It's the brand's budget model that's still equipped with an emptying station, which alone costs $249.99 in the US, packing in a host of high-end features for a pocket-friendly price. When it comes to the design, we have the main things like 420 ml dust box, removable mopping plate and auto-empty station. As mentioned above, the ecovacs deebot ozmo and 8 Plus is a little larger than some robot vacuums in part because of its 240 ml water reservoir, but not substantially so. It's 3.66 inches tall and has a diameter of 13.9 inches. This does mean it's not quite as nimble as someone nipping underneath tables and chairs, and carrying it upstairs could be a chore. It weighs 3.6 kilograms. In terms of outward appearance, it's incredibly sleek, with one button on top to start it cleaning, and is available in glossy white as well as black. The auto-empty station comes in a matching color and is fairly sizable at 16.8 inches tall, 11.8 inches wide and 16.1 inches deep, plus it needs 19.7 inches clearance on either side. We found it struggled to get back onto the charging base when obstacles were closer. Inside, you'll find a 420 ml dust box, along with a 3-layer dust filtration system that filters 99% of minute particle matter and particles as small as 6 microns, as well as pet hair. About the performance, I will be precise. It is a good dust picker on hard floors, as it has laser object detection and is fairly quiet in operation. The robot vacuum was quiet in use, reaching a maximum of 60 decibels on our decibel meter on Max Plus mode, which is equivalent to the sound a dishwasher makes mid-cycle, which is more than acceptable. However, when automatically emptying its dust box at the station, our decibel meter hits 74 decibels, which is a level similar to that experienced inside a vehicle when traveling at 60 miles per hour. The app of deebot ozmo is easy to download and set up. You can also alter cleaning preferences, and it also has Alexa and Google Assistant integration. When it comes to the battery life compared to some robot vacuums, the battery for the deebot ozmo and 8 Plus seems to drain quite quickly. While its manufacturers estimate a working time of 110 minutes, on a standard setting cleaning our ground floor over 29 minutes, the battery drained down to 56% from 100%. Final verdict. In short, it runs up to 110 minutes, battery takes 4 hours to full recharge and battery continues to drain when not on charge. Our final verdict for the ecovacs deebot ozmo and 8 Plus is that it is one of the brand's latest launches, combining simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with auto-emptying into its charging station. Its app allows it to map floors accurately and be controlled by voice, while providing plenty of progress information. Mid-priced, for the amount of functionality it provides, it's a great value buy. However, its navigation and vacuuming on carpet could use a tweak. That's all for the review and product showcase of ecovacs deebot Ozmo and 8 Plus. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for updates about more cool tech gadgets.